Hey, what's up everybody? Hope you're doing well. You saw the sign there, it says Tesla Road in 1 mile. You guys gotta check this out. We're over here on the 130 toll, like southeast, East Austin, Texas. Check out this Tesla facility. Absolutely massive. See if I can turn this for you guys. I'm trying to plug in what percent of a mile it is, if not a full mile. I mean, look, it just keeps going. And you see here, they've got 2 Teslas out here. I don't know what they're doing. Compounding soil, I'm not too sure. They're in the car though. So let's take this exit and check this place out. Welcome to Texas, where you can be you. We heart you to Mars and back. Everything is bigger in Texas. Some Elon welcoming notes there. Another security guard. I got a Tesla behind me, go figure. Got some nice landscaping there. Elon, need help with raising. So I couldn't read that. I saw somebody parked on the side of the road taking pictures. This is just too cool. Let's flip around. Go in. Oh, they got security over there, so I need to turn around. Maybe. Wow. Too cool. Well, all those cars in front of me were doing the exact same thing. This is a one-way road, so they said a lot of people are pulled over to take pictures, and then they told me that a lot of people do that. So this is cool. Well, that's it. That's the new Tesla HQ. See y'all later.